Introduction and Basics of Amino Acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of life, essential for various biological processes. They are the fundamental units that make up proteins, which perform countless functions in our bodies. Each amino acid has a unique side chain, determining its properties and role within proteins, influencing their structure and function. There are 20 standard amino acids in the human body, each playing a crucial role in health and metabolism. What is protein folding? Protein folding is a crucial process that ensures the amino acid chain folds into a functional three-dimensional structure. This process is essential for the protein to perform its specific biological functions within the cell. The first step of protein folding is the formation of the amino acid sequence, called the primary structure. This sequence determines how the protein will fold and what shape it will ultimately take. As folding progresses, the amino acid chain forms helical and sheet-like local structures, known as secondary structures. These include alpha helices and beta sheets, which are stabilized by hydrogen bonds, ultimately resulting in a three-dimensional structure with a specific function. This final shape, known as the tertiary structure, is critical for the protein's activity. Proper folding is vital for the protein's function. Misfolded proteins can lead to diseases, making the study of protein folding crucial for understanding and treating various medical conditions. Practical applications of amino acids and protein folding. The study of amino acids and peptides extends beyond basic biology. They play a critical role in drug development, protein engineering, and disease research. By customizing amino acid and peptide sequences, we can design proteins with specific functions, driving innovations in drug development and therapeutic strategies. BOC Sciences Amino Acids Products and Services. In this field, BOC Sciences offers high-quality amino acids, peptide synthesis, and related products and services to research and pharmaceutical companies worldwide. We provide a wide range of standard amino acids, modified amino acids, and peptide synthesis services to meet diverse research and industrial needs. Additionally, we support clients with custom protein engineering and peptide drug development. For more information about amino acids, peptide synthesis, and related services, visit BOC Sciences. Our expert team is here to support your research and development efforts. Contact us today to explore more collaboration opportunities.